Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. So guys, today I have come here to teach you passive voice. I'm not going to teach you passive voice in written because I have watched so many videos where all the teachers are writing on the board. Maybe it is like whiteboard, blackboard. I don't care. I want you to use passive voice in natural way because I have learned English like in natural way because whenever I learn anything, so I don't believe like in writing and reading and all the thing. I just speak that thing whenever I get chance. Suppose today I have come to teach you passive. How will you use passive in your conversation? Suppose you are talking to someone, so you have to speak some sentences in passive voice. I'm telling you, if you watch this video, you will be able to use passive sentences in your conversation. I'm telling you. So let's get started, guys. Suppose we have 8 passive, in present we have like 3, in past we have 3, and in future we have 2. So today I'm going to make one story related like present passive voice. So how will you use? Let me tell you guys. First I am going to tell you like structures. What are the structures? So present simple structure, like with the singular subject we have to use like is plus third form, and with plural we have to use like are plus third form, and with I subject we have to use am plus third form, like I am and you are, she is plus third form. So if I say मुझे रोज पैसे दिए जाते हैं, आई एम गिवन मनी एवरी डे, मेरे दोस्त को रोज डांटा जाता है, माई फ्रेंड, देखो थर्ड पर्सन, माई फ्रेंड इज स्कोल्डेड डेली, आपको रोज पढ़ाया जाता है, यू आर टॉट डेली. So like simple passive. And if I talk about negative, so after is am are you just add not, like I am not taught, मुझे नहीं पढ़ाया जाता है, you are not, तुम्हें नहीं पढ़ाया जाता है, she is not, उसे नहीं पढ़ाया जाता है. एंड इन इंटेरोगेटिव इज एम आर हमें पहले रख देना है, फिर सब्जेक्ट, फिर थर्ड फॉर्म. जैसे कि एम आई टॉट, क्या मुझे पढ़ाया जाता है, आर यू टॉट, क्या आपको पढ़ाया जाता है, इज सी टॉट, क्या उसे पढ़ाया जाता है. सिंपल गाइस. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू action going on passive because I told you we have 3 structures in present of passive. So our second structure is action going on passive. Suppose like whatever is going on, so we have to tell but without any subject. How will you tell? Let me tell you first structures guys. So with I, of course with I we have to put am plus being, I plus am plus being plus third form. प्लूरल के लिए प्लूरल का सब्जेक्ट, फिर आर, फिर बीइंग, फिर थर्ड फॉर्म. सिंगुलर के लिए सिंगुलर का सब्जेक्ट, फिर इज, फिर बीइंग, फिर थर्ड फॉर्म. जैसे कि मुझे पढ़ाया जा रहा है, आई एम बीइंग टॉट, आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है, यू आर बीइंग टॉट, उस लड़के को पढ़ाया जा रहा है, दैट बॉय इज बीइंग टॉट. सिंपल गाइस. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, तो ऑफ कोर्स इज एम आर, आफ्टर इज एम आर यू हैव टू पुट नॉट. एंड सेम स्ट्रक्चर लाइक मुझे नहीं पढ़ाया जा रहा है, आई एम नॉट बीइंग टॉट, तुम्हें नहीं पढ़ाया जा रहा है, यू आर नॉट बीइंग टॉट, उस लड़की को नहीं पढ़ाया जा रहा है, दैट गर्ल इज नॉट बीइंग टॉट. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इंट्रोगेटिव, सपोज इज एम आर हमें पहले रखना है, फिर सब्जेक्ट, फिर उसके बाद बीइंग, फिर थर्ड फॉर्म. जैसे कि क्या मुझे पढ़ाया जा रहा है, एम आई बीइंग टॉट, क्या आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है, आर यू बीइंग टॉट, क्या उस लड़की को पढ़ाया जा रहा है, is this girl being taught. Like guys, simple. Now we have one more passive voice in present tense, that is called action done passive voice. So here we have to use with singular subject has plus been plus third form. With plural, like plural subject have plus been plus third form. Suppose मुझे पढ़ा दिया गया है, I have been taught. आपको पढ़ा दिया गया है, you have been taught. उस लड़की को पढ़ा दिया गया, दैट गर्ल हैज़ बीन टॉट, क्योंकि वो सिंगुलर है तो हैज़ बीन आएगा. ओके. नेगेटिव में नॉट लगा देना है हैज़ हैव के बाद, प्लस बीन प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म. जैसे कि मुझे नहीं पढ़ाया गया है, आई हैव नॉट बीन टॉट, उस लड़की को नहीं पढ़ाया गया है, दैट गर्ल हैज़ नॉट बीन टॉट. इंट्रोगेटिव में हैव हैज़ पहले आ जाएगा, फिर सब्जेक्ट, फिर बीइंग, फिर थर्ड फॉर्म। जैसे कि क्या मुझे पढ़ा दिया गया है, हैव आई बीन टॉट, क्या उस लड़की को पढ़ा दिया गया है, हैज़ दैट गर्ल बीन टॉट। हो गया हमारा पैसिव इन प्रेजेंट। वी हैव 3 पैसिव वॉइस, like 3 kind of structures in present tense, passive voice, and how you will use this kind of passive voice in your day-to-day life. So let me tell you guys. So whatever you can see, suppose my mom is cooking food, मेरी मॉम खाना बना रही है, तो ये एक्टिव है। जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि my mom is cooking food, मेरी मॉम खाना बना रही है, तो मैं क्यों बोलूँ कि मेरी मॉम खाना बना रही है? आई एम गोइंग टू से food is being cooked, it is going on। मुझे पढ़ाया जा रहा है, I'm like suppose my teacher is teaching me, so आपको instead of saying my teacher is teaching me, I'm not going to add teacher here, I'm just telling you okay I am being taught। हो गया। उस लड़की को डांटा जा रहा है, that girl is being scolded, I'm not saying that उसकी मॉम उसको डांट रही है, no, I'm just telling she is being taught, like she is being scolded। So whatever you can see, it is our passive. It depends on you whether you speak in passive voice or active voice. Suppose ये लड़का इस लड़के इस like ये लड़का रोज फूल तोड़ता है, तो why should I say that this boy plucks flowers every day? No, I am not going to say. I have 2 ways whether I say this boy plucks flower every day, or you may say these flowers are plucked every day, like that। And suppose I say मेरी मॉम ने खाना बना लिया है, so why should I say my mom has cooked food? I'm going to say food has been cooked। So we have 2 ways guys. In spoken it's lovely. If you really want to learn so many structures and spoken way, all the grammar, so you can comment me, I will tell you, I will teach you like step by step. Also I will like make you practice how to use all kind of grammar in your spoken. It is great way. I'm not going to say write, read and so many things. I have never ever wrote even a single word. I have never ever written any single word. I have never ever read any book guys. I know you can't believe, but it is true. Okay, now I'm going to use in my conversation these 3 structures. How? Let's watch. Okay, yesterday I got up in the morning, I got fresh, then I saw my mobile was on the table, so I picked up my mobile and I called my friend and I asked, hey bro, have you taken your breakfast? He said no, breakfast is being prepared. I said, oh my god, you haven't taken breakfast? He said no, breakfast is being prepared। देखो वहाँ उसने पैसिव बोला कि ब्रेकफास्ट बनाया जा रहा है, breakfast is being prepared। He didn't say that my mom is preparing breakfast. If he wanted, so he can speak, otherwise no problem। And then I asked, okay, at what time like does your mom give you breakfast? He said to me, actually I'm given breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning। Again he used passive voice, I am given breakfast like at 7 o'clock in the morning। If he wanted, so he could have used my mom gives me breakfast at 7 o'clock, but he didn't use। Then he said to me, okay Gyanan, I will talk to you later because my breakfast has been prepared। Now again he used passive voice guys, my breakfast has been prepared। Instead of saying my mom has prepared breakfast, now I am going to eat, he said breakfast has been prepared। Then I said, oh that's great। So guys, by this way you can use, I have shown you how to use passive sentences। Even I give you example like action going on, simple action and action done। So by this way you can use। If you have liked this video, please subscribe। I will make you practice in every sentence, every structure, so that you can use this structure in your day-to-day life, in your day-to-day conversation guys। Thank you so much guys, bye।